We're now into exercise 7.4 question 5, and we're asked in this question to work out the speed of air. If you write down first of all what we know, and we can see the mass is equal to 50 kilograms. And the kinetic energy is equal to 900 joules. And we're asked to work out the speed, which is v. If we first of all write down the general equation, and because we're asked to work out v, we're going to have to rearrange this particular equation. Our first step should be to get rid of the half, and much like some of the previous videos in exercise 7.4, to get rid of the half, we multiply both sides of the equation by 2. And so this equation becomes 2 times kinetic energy equals a half mv squared. So on the right hand side we're multiplying by 2, and we're also multiplying the left hand side by 2 as well. Now the previous videos in exercise 7.4 showed us that a half and the 2 cancel out. And so 2 times kinetic energy equals mv squared. At this stage, we're looking to eliminate m from the right hand side of the equation, and to do so, we must divide both sides of the equation by m. And so 2 times kinetic energy divided by m equals mv squared divided by m. Now m divided by m will cancel out, and we're now left with an equation that v squared equals 2 times kinetic energy divided by mass. Now we're not asked to work out the value of v squared, we are in fact asked to work out the value of v, and so we need to take the square root of both sides of the equation. And so the square root of v squared equals the square root of 2 times the kinetic energy over mass. Well, the square root of v squared is just v, and so v then equals the square root of 2 times the kinetic energy, which is 900, divided by the mass, which is 50. And we can see that v equals 6 meters per second. If you read carefully through this question, it does stipulate to give your answer to 2 decimal places, and so the final value should quite simply be 6.00 meters per second. And that finishes this particular question.